Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. Come see the car for yourself.